Short of the first down by Jordan Fuller. Here comes the full team.
Ohio State rallying to the football there. Kendall Sheffield first to react. Force Michelli back inside. Allow the rest of the Scarlet Jerseys to chase him down short of that first down.
Behind the punting, there's an 8-yard punt net average edge for Ohio State. Huskies net average is 34 yards. That's not very good. For a nice boot in his first punt. This is a less aesthetically pleasing one, but J-Hill comes up, makes the third catch, and Ohio State already up a touchdown. Back to work after the 39-yard punt. Hey, who are you?
Oh, hey, Jeff, I'm a car thief. What? I'm here to steal your car because, well, that's my job.
What?
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 It happens. And you got cut rate car insurance? Paying for this could feel like getting robbed twice. Like it all stinks. And be better protected from mayhem. Like me.
This is uncharted territory. A Peloton boot camp where elite instructors and live metrics put every muscle to work. Where it's you versus everyone else. With live classes every single day. Take your total body workout where it's never gone before. Home. Introducing the Peloton Tread.
In the beginning, few believed. But we kept fighting. Now we're home on ESPN+. Join us.